Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D mockup for your ebook or your lead generation asset, your lead magnet. This is what we're going to be making right here. This is a mockup that I made for this demo, but it is essentially super easy, 100% free, and let's get started. So to get started, we're going to go to canva.com and we are going to search in the design anything an ebook cover. And we're going to design our ebook cover here in Canva just because I love Canva and I find it to be really easy to get nice high quality designs. So these are our template options, but I'm going to go with the door here. And you can look through, but you can change the pictures out. If you come over here to photos, you can search for a different photo. Like maybe I want like an alien instead. Let's do an alien instead, right? You can do a different photo. That's just going to change your visual altogether. So like right here, completely different photo, right? So you can do pretty much anything you want in that respect, but we're just going to leave the door for now. We're going to delete out our text. We're going to give our ebook, let's call it aiPROFITz Day 1. This is going to be an example of my 7-day email series, 100% free. You can sign up in the description. Truly automated profits. And then we're going to paste the logo, which I also designed in Canva. I think the logo is pretty good. I like it. We're going to paste that in just like that. Make it just a touch bigger. And actually, let's center it. So let's come up here to position, center. And let's change this text to our logo colors. And then the day 1 to this nice gold. All in all, I think we're done. It is that simple. Look how quick that was to design the ebook cover. Now to get it on a 3D render, we need to download it. Let's call it Day 1, aiPROFITz. And let's click download. And then we're going to go over to a tool called DIYBookCovers.com. So that's DIY, let's actually type it in, bookcovers.com. And this is what this page will look like when you come onto the page. But we're going to come up here to book design and we're going to go to 3D mockups. Now once we're in 3D mockups, free online book mockup maker. The only 3D, well not the only, I guess it's one that you'll love to use. Look at me getting ahead of myself. These are the template options that are available. So they're rather limited, but if you're just getting started and just looking to go, I'm going to select this one here and we're going to hit next. The important thing is to take action. It's not about spending a bunch of money right now, it's about taking action. And then let's browse and let's find our file under downloads. It's right here. Let's click open and click upload. And there it is. Now we can click next. And we can select which type of file we want to download, a PNG or a JPEG. I'm just going to select JPEG here, and it's going to download just like that. And then I'm going to open it up, and voila, we have our lead magnet, our lead generation asset, 100% for free. Now I do want to show you a more premium option. It's called placeit.net, and we have cover mockup templates. We'll just go to the actual templates. If you have the budget, you can go this route and your quality is going to be significantly better, I would say, overall. Like you're going to get more stuff like this, stuff with actual people in it. And all in all, you know, it's going to just be a little bit nicer. Like they've got a bunch of different options. You can browse them on here actually. But Placeit is Envato. It's Envato does a lot of templates and stuff like that. There's Envato Elements and a bunch of different things like that. But Placeit's a part of their, I guess you would call it, you know, online merchandise, ebooks. Just really, what's the word I'm looking for? Placeit does mockups. That's the word I'm looking for. So like if you want to do a t-shirt mockup, you can do that here as well. You can come here to t-shirts and it's really simple because you can just drag your logo in. So like I could drag my logo into the actual t-shirt image, use Canva to resize it based on what they say to me are some of the better mock-ups on the internet. So here you can put all of your different designs from your ebook, your logos, etc. And I'm probably going to end up using Playset myself. The reason I wanted to share it with you as a premium option is because some of the people that I know that are making a lot of money are actually using stuff like this to make their products look more professional, because unfortunately you can have the best content in the world, but if it doesn't look great, that's why we do the 3D mock-ups and stuff. If they don't look great, no one's going to click, no one's going to opt in. Your lead generation, the lead magnets have to look good to get the opt-ins. The landing pages have to look good to get the opt-ins. And all in all, your branding has to be somewhat concise and somewhat on point. You can follow along on this channel, aiPROFITz.com. You can get into my 7-day email profit series. And otherwise, I'm going to wrap this thing up. But we are building this thing from scratch from day one all the way through. You can follow along, like I said, and literally see every step of this process. From the very first thing I did was create a bridge page. Then we created the landing page. I haven't done the logo video yet, but it's coming very soon. Everything that we've done is being documented. So my name is Scott, aiPROFITz.com. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.